Hi dear Cancerians, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Taro and this is morning 3 a.m. right now that I'm making this video. So Cancerians, please bear with me if I'm looking tired or something like that. Okay, I have to travel, that's why I'm making the video at this time. Okay, so keep in mind this is journal reading. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place, and the second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime, honey. And this is a reading from 1st of September till the 10th of September. Let's start. So your partner's current energy right now is Cancerians. Your partner's current energy right now is, let's see. Your partner's current energy right now is, let's see. Three of Swords, my God. Cancerians, your partner is deeply heartbroken. They are deeply heartbroken, going through some kind of worse situation in your life, in their life, bad phase of their life. It could be you also, but for most of you, I feel like your partner right now is deeply heartbroken, shattered, and they are not feeling any kind of feeling at all right now. Shattered and completely broken they are right now. Let's clarify the Three of Swords in their current energy. Let's clarify. Let's clarify the Three of Swords in their current energy. Deeply heartbroken right now. My God, I can feel the heartbreak. Okay, let's clarify. Page of Swords and the Queen of Pentacles and the Chariot. Okay, so this person is watching over you via Facebook or Insta or something like that. They are trying to heal from the situation. They are trying to heal from the heartbreak right now, and they are determined to move on. They are very determined to move on from this heartbreak. They are like, yeah, I will come out of this situation. I am very strong and I am going to come out of this. I feel like this person is a Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn that you are dealing with, and this is highly earthy energy, and they are going to come out of this phase. Let me tell you right now, they are heartbroken and deeply shattered and all that shit, I know, but they will come out of this because they are very determined. They are healing from this process, and they are very determined that yes, although it's difficult, I'll come out of this. No matter how hard it is right now, I will come out of this. Very strong. You're dealing with a very strong personality here, I feel like that, Cancerians. Okay, let's see what's your current energy right now. Your current energy right now is, Cancerians, your current energy right now is, your current energy right now is Seven of Swords. I feel like there is some kind of truth that is revealed, or the secret is coming out, or you are right now telling something very, difficult to somebody. This is the truth that is yet to be revealed, that you are going to tell somebody. Okay, I will clarify this because this is some kind of truth coming out to light, and how it is going to make you feel like. Let's clarify the Seven of Swords in your current energy. Some kind of truth is coming out. Okay, some kind of hidden truth is coming out, actually some kind of secret is coming out in your current energy. Let's clarify the Seven of Swords. Let's clarify the Seven of Swords. Let's clarify. Four of Pentacles, the Three of Cups, and the King of Pentacles. Okay, I feel like this person still, this is the hidden truth, that this person still wants to have a reconciliation with you. They still want to have a a love relationship with you, but they're holding back. They're trying to control their emotion. This is self-deceptive energy. It's not like some kind of secret here. This is self-deceptive energy. It is like this person is highly self-deceptive. Sorry, you are highly self-deceptive right now, and you are trying to control your emotions, trying to hide your emotions. You are trying to control everything around you, or your surroundings, and you want to have a reconciliation with this person. Okay, and you feel like you will come out of this state and you will heal from this situation. Okay, and for others of you are trying to control your emotions because you feel like your person is connected to somebody else. Okay, it could also be possible that you feel like your person right now is connected to somebody else also. There's a third party situation here, and might be it's like you are going to get the truth. You are going to get to know about the truth that somebody else is also involved in this cycle or in this relationship, and you will be like holding back, and you will be trying to control your emotions, and you will be like, yeah, I will heal from the situation. I will just heal from the situation. Okay, there are 2 3 stories here that I'm getting. So take it how it resonates with you, and you're trying to heal from the situation, trying to heal from the situation, heal from the truth actually. Okay, whatever it is coming to light, you are going to try your best to heal from this situation. Cool, got it. Let's see, Cancerians, what this person feels for you, their feelings for you. Let's see. Let's see what this person feels for you. Knight of Pentacles. This person is feeling like they should take baby steps towards you. They feel like they should have a committed relationship with you. They want to offer you something solid in their life, but I feel like this person wants to take baby steps. Very very slow energy, very very slow moving energy. I feel like they are going to take might be a full year to commit to you or commit to this relationship, but they are very very loyal to you, very loyal and royal they are right now. Okay, and they are feeling like they should slow down, they should not rush into anything right now. Cool, because they're also going through some kind of healing process, and they are very, therefore they are very very slow to approach you, Cancerians. Let's clarify the Knight of Pentacles as their feelings for you. Let's clarify the Knight of Pentacles as their feelings for you. Knight of Swords, Judgment card, and Three of Pentacles. See, this person wants to come towards you in a very very rushing energy, but they are trying their best to not to do that. Okay, they are trying their best not to do that, and they want to forgive and forget about the past, and they want they want forgiveness from your side as well, and they want to forgive you as well, and they want to have a reconciliation. This is a Judgment card, so they are judging this relationship. They are judging the second, if there is any second chance that we can give to this connection. Yes, yes, they are ready to have a reconciliation. They want to they are ready for the they are ready to put in the effort, put in the energy from their side, and that is why they are very slow to approach, very slow to approach, because they feel like they are going to make it solid in the near future. Okay, they want to have it solid and stable. That is why they are taking their time, and they definitely want to have a reconciliation, because the Judgment card is also here, and Three of Pentacles, to put in the energy, put in the effort. Okay, cool. Let's see what this person wants from you, Cancerians. Let's see what this person wants from you. Let's see. Five of Cups. This person wants you to come out of this depressing state of mind. I feel like you are very very depressed or sad, you're regretting some kind of loss, or you are going through some kind of loss in life, in your emotional loss in your life right now, and this person wants you to come out of this state of mind, or come out of this depressing state of mind, or just come out of this regret or loss, whatever you are doing right now. Okay, this person, they are holding lots of emotions for you, but they are hiding them from you, because right now they are feeling like this is not the right time to express any kind of feelings or love or something like that to you. Okay, that's why this person is holding back a lot. Okay, Five of Cups. Let's clarify the Five of Cups and as they want from you, and what they want from you. Okay, Six of Wands and the Seven of Pentacles and the Emperor could be dealing with the Aries here. They want you to work on yourself, they want you to work on your money, your job, your looks, and be a mini celebrity kind of thing, and just wait for the right time. Just wait for the right time for things to unfold for you. Okay, and they have took some kind of decision. So I feel like this person right now is behaving very very rude and off and cold and detached, but beneath this cold exterior there's a very soft interior, and they feel like you should work on yourself, your skills, your money, your job or business or whatever you are doing, and you should get some kind of recognition, and you should be happy in your life. And they feel like you're already a mini celebrity, and you should be really happy in your life, and you should just wait for the right time. And they are just making you realize that yes, you have to take a decision, that you just have to wait for the right time. This is the decision. Okay, this is a weird decision that they are like making right now, but yes, this is a decision that they are taking right now, that yeah, you should just wait for the right time. Okay, Cancerians, and that's why they are feeling like you should come out of this grief and loss, because everything is going to happen on the divine timing, everything is going to happen according to the universal timing. You can't make it happen just by forcing it to happen. Okay, that's why they want you to come out of this depressing phase and take your own time to realize that yeah, things will come to you, but you have to wait for the right time. Cool. Let's see what is coming towards you till the 10th of September, Cancerians. Let's see. Two of Cups, Cancerians, beautiful soulful energy. I feel like beautiful soulmate energy is coming towards you. Might be somebody is going to propose you for marriage or relationship or solid committed relationship or something, or might be they are going to propose you. Might be you are going to propose them. But yes, there's soulmate connection coming in towards you, and a very beautiful communication coming in towards you from this particular person, and that's going to make you feel really happy, really happy. Let's clarify the Two of Cups as a potential outcome for you. Let me see. It could also be possible that you are going to feel a divine connection with the universe, and it's like you are going to be single, but you are going to feel like, yeah, although I'm single, I'm happy, really happy, and I'm in the soulful energy right now. Let's clarify the Two of Cups. Let's see. Seven of Cups and the King of Swords and the Page of Cups. Okay, so I feel like this person is looking for options in their life. They are going to, you are right now, this person is trying to heal. Okay, and because this person is trying to heal, this person is right now feeling like they should look for options in their life. They are trying to conceal their feelings, hide their feelings. They are not able to do that. They are trying their best to do that, but they are not able to do that. They are developing some kind of beautiful new feelings for you, beautiful new feelings for you, and they want you to tell this, that they are like creating, that they are developing new feelings for you, or they have some kind of good news for you, that they are feeling like you are their soulmate. They want to propose you or something like that. This is very beautiful energy. They will stop looking for another options because they feel like, after realizing, this is kind of realization. King of Swords is some kind of, being very intentionally clear, being very clear minded, that yeah, I need this in my life. And after realizing that they are having lots of emotions for you, I feel like this person is finally coming towards you with a solid love committed relationship offer. Okay, or at least with a love offer. I don't know about the commitment as of yet, but yes, this is beautiful soulmate energy coming towards you. Okay, cool. It could also be like somebody new coming towards you. It could also be possible because the Page of Cups is here. So I feel like from lots of options that you are having in your life right now, suddenly somebody will come towards you. This is a new person, and they will propose you for love, or not marriage, for love, or they will be like, will you be my date or girlfriend or boyfriend, like that. Okay, for some of you it is the scenario. So thank you so much, Cancerians, for tuning in with me. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste, bye.